I want to let you know that thank you for choosing me. So I would like to explain about the benefit of reading a lot of books, or maybe just a few books per se. So what are the benefits to read a lot of books? So first of all, we can improve our knowledge, cultural knowledge, or maybe historical knowledge. And then, oh, it's so rainy out there. So can you hear my voice? Okay. It's very clear, right? But for some books which is, for example, ideologically forbidden, you need to have this basis in order to read that book, so you may not get carried away by the content of the books. For example, like a book which contains like leftist propaganda, leftist or rightist ideology like Nazism and communism for the leftist one. So you should have this basic moral. You should have prior knowledge to read these forbidden books. So actually, many people find that to search in Google, to search for this type of information or even knowledge within the grasp of your fingertip is somewhat tempting. Also, it is pressurizing. But don't get me wrong, reading books is more pressurizing than searching it on Google. It's more challenging, but it will bring a lot of pleasures. Any questions?
Right, my question: what books that you find fascinating and you get carried away with it?
I get carried away. Actually, it's a book about history. I will get carried away by the history, whether it is from Google, maybe from the book. I may spend about 5 hours reading it.
Which way do you prefer reading? The hard copy or soft copy?
Hard copy, actually, I prefer hard copy because it is terrible, right? You don't need to actually structure of time, so that you only have to read, you only have to open the table of content and then you proceed to the desirable page.
What are the benefits of reading physical books over reading PDF or soft copy books?
Well, first of all, we may not get eye damage. Due to the radiation, your eyes may not get strained.
There is about use you call before that is a lot of good right now never propaganda, right?
Yeah.
So how we can compare that is right book, especially there is no propaganda. If we have not more knowledge to reference to for this book.
Oh, whether it's a propaganda or not? Okay, so first of all, you just have to differentiate within each of the point of view, you know, from who was the point of view is. Okay? That's all.
The teacher and the book, how you from where you will learn more, from the book or from the teacher?
Actually, it's not about the quantity of the new things that I learned. It is more about the way the information is being transferred. So if I'm reading a book, so that means I just have to dig up the information myself, while using a teacher, he or she will give me the information right away. It's not about the quantity, it's about the quality. The way that you get the information, and also how fast you understand something when you are learning something.
Right, in your whole life right now, how many single books have you read until now? May I know that?
Actually, I didn't keep a track of that, but if I will estimate, it will be around hundreds, maybe 300.
What kind of that books? Is this like chemistry or like nursing
It's maybe more like knowledge book, and also history books.
All of history was read at the time. And now,
not really actually.
they're just talking about specific book or not.
But specific books for specific history?
Oh yes.
Maybe yeah.
Oh.
For example, about this U-boat armada of Nazi Germany.
Oh yeah.
Marine.
Talking about war.
Yeah, war.
Oh, I got that.
Submarine.
Submarine. You love that show, right?
I love war.
Oh, war.
Doesn't mean that I love war, but I love things about war.
Oh yeah.
But I don't like war. I'm a peaceful man.
Mashallah. All right. Thank you, Song.